for today is the word kitten. Practice saying that one more time. Kitten. Excellent job. A kitten is just a baby cat. So when a cat has little babies, we say it had kittens. So kittens are just super cute and tiny, and then when they grow up, we call them a cat. How could you use this word kitten in your own sentence? You could say something like, my cat just had a litter of kittens. Try saying that one more time. My cat just had a litter of kittens. So when a cat has a bunch of kittens, then we say it has a litter of kittens. And that just means a group. However many kittens the cat gave birth to, we say it's a litter. So that's your new word for today, kittens. Try sharing that word with someone else, tell them what it means, and we'll see you back here tomorrow for another word on Word Whiz. Bye everyone!